Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetable stew at home. First, select your favorite fresh vegetables, ensuring they are firm and vibrant. Next, prepare all your ingredients by washing and chopping them into roughly 1-inch pieces. This uniformity helps everything cook evenly. Finally, begin by gently sautéing your aromatic vegetables to create a rich foundation for your stew's flavor profile. It's a simple start to a comforting meal. Now, let's talk about the heart of your stew, the liquid and seasonings. A good quality vegetable or chicken broth is essential for a rich taste. Don't forget to incorporate fresh or dried herbs like thyme, rosemary, or a bay leaf for an aromatic boost. To achieve that perfect hearty consistency, you can either create a simple flour slurry or naturally thicken it by mashing some of the cooked potatoes directly in the pot. Once your ingredients are prepped, combine everything in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for at least 30 minutes or until all the vegetables are fork tender. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Taste and adjust your seasonings with salt and pepper as needed for the perfect flavor balance. Your homemade vegetable stew is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and serve hot, perhaps with a slice of crusty bread or a fresh green salad. For any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days or freeze for longer enjoyment. It reheats beautifully. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling great, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your delicious, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.